Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 free ebook cover creators for your PLR ebooks. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, so let's go check it out. Here we are at Placeit. Now, Placeit is a design mock-up store that you can also use free designs as well. Now let's say, for example, you wanted to create a package. For example, you wanted to get an image for your ebook, you wanted to do one for a web page, whatever you want to do for it, books or whatever. You can actually create it right here in Placeit. First thing we'll do is we'll go to freebies, we'll go to the design section, click on freebies. The first thing it's going to do is it's going to take us down to a list of things we can choose from, but I'm going to be clicking it for books. So I'm going to click on that, and down here it gives you free things you can do. So I'm going to choose this particular one right here, which looks like it'd be a good one if you wanted to put it on your website or something like that. So I'm going to just click on that one, and what we really need to do is insert an image that what we want to go into all of these little boxes, and that will then load the images where they're meant to go. For example, we'll click on this one. I'm going to go from my device, and I'm just going to pause the video while I quickly go find it. Okay, now the first one I'm going to be using is this one here. I'm pretty sure I'll be using this one all the way through. Now I can crop it or I can just leave it like that, but because it's white going against, it'll go onto a white background, so it will be fine. And as you can see, it's now gone into a white background. Don't worry, the words where it says Placeit, when you download it, those words will be gone. Under the condition you have the free one. If you have any paid ones that you've got, you will need to pay for the watermark to go away. So I'm just going to use this one again. Yes, we're going to crop it there. Something that people always seem to ask me is, should I change the name of the ebook? Well, if you have private label rights, not master resale rights or retail rights, but if you have private label rights and they allow you to be able to change the name of the product, then definitely change the name of the product. That's always the first step when you are repurposing any of your ebooks. Okay, let's keep moving on. Okay, it is as simple as that. Let's now go here to free download. We'll download this. Now we just go here, free download. We can go there, click on that. Click here to download. So we'll click on that one. And I'm going to put this on my desktop, and I'm going to be calling this package 3. And this will go here, and we're going to just go open. And in just a minute, you'll see that is a lovely image with the image background here, or everything you need. But now you can see it's got a yellow background. How do we remove that? Well, I'm glad you asked. All you have to do is go over here to remove.bg, and I already have it just there, so I'm going to click on that. I'm now going to go here. I'm going to go here to upload, go to package 3. There it is. Click on that. It will have a look at the background, it will decide what it's going to do, and then it'll remove all the background for you. And there we have a lovely, lovely image with no background, and then we can download that, and we can click on that, and we'll quickly have a quick look at what that looks like. We'll open that up, and as you can see, it is a lovely image without a background, and it can go very nicely into any of your web pages as a package that you might be trying to set up or sell. So this one here is called Placeit. Okay guys, let's go check out the next site. Alright, now site number 2 is called Snappa, snappa.com, and it's free to join. Now, of course, yeah, you can buy upgrades and so forth if you wish to, but let's just quickly go down and create an ebook. So what we can do is we can scroll down here until we see ebook cover. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Let's click on that. Okay, now what we need to do is go down and have a look at what we've got here. And I really like this one here, so I'm going to click on that one. Now, first thing I want to do is probably remove that image right there. So I'll just remove that. And let's go here to background. And I'm going to type in the word computer, which I already have done previously. And I'm just going to hit enter so I can search for what I'm looking for. Now, I specifically like one that I saw earlier. That's nice. That's actually very good. I like that. So over here we're going to just double click here and we can change the title. I'm just going to pause the video while I do that. Now I can move this around, I can move the images around, I can move placeholders, whatever I want. I can undo as well as redo. So I can do that. I'm going to redo that. There we are. And I'm actually quite happy with that. And there we have it. How to make money online. Oops, daisy, I'll just fix up that a little bit. It looks a bit weird. Now, what's the pricing of Snapper if you wish to purchase? It's not expensive. It's actually free to start off with. One user, you're allowed up to 3 downloads per month. And it's only going to cost you $10 in total. So as you saw, that took me practically no time to create at all. And this will fit on the cover of your ebook really easily. So for example, you have a Word document you want to add the cover to, this will fit on really easily. Let's go check out site number 3. Now site number 3 is probably one of the oldest ones around. It's actually called myecovermaker.com. So right now I'm in the free area, and these ones here are actually some of the paid mockups you can do. And you can choose a lot of these different types. Now this is the free area here. Now you can choose up to 8 images here if you wish to, one of 8. And I'm going to be choosing this particular one just here. So right now, let's just upload an image. So I'm going to go here and click on that. I'm going to select an image to upload because I don't want any of those ones. And I'm going to go find the one I want. Okay, so we're just going to double click on that. Wait for this to upload, and then we can use this particular one to go onto the background. So let's just click on that one, and there we have it. Now before I do that, I'm actually going to delete that. That's something I forgot to do. Confirm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make the background white. Backgrounds, we're going to be choosing white. There we have it. Then we're going to upload the image. We're going to use this particular image, and we can place that anywhere we want. We can put that at the top if we wish to, and my suggestion will be do that because you're going to be turn this into an ebook. So go like that, and then you can add some text here. So you go your heading, bring that down to whatever color you can make it any color you want. You can make it anything you want. So I'm just going to go here. Actually, I might drag that down here. Drag this up here. Make that anything I like. I might make that one here a completely different font. And to do that, all I have to do is go here and go down, and you can choose the font you want. Prompt will do. That'll do. Change the color. I'm going to make that black. By doing that, I'll just go 00, and that will make it black. And over here, I'm going to insert more text. I'm going to use the subheading here. Go to subheading, and we can just double click here and just edit this area here. So let's go bang, copy over the top of that. Okay, so let's have a look at the mockups first. So I just created this earlier, so let's go here. We go to mockups. Now they're not easy to find, the free ones. So what we need to do is I'll go look for one that I know is free, 100% certain that it's free, and I know it's this one here, so I'm going to click on that one there, and then I'm going to go over here to save. And as you can see down here, you'll see that it says mockup, 3D mockup. So I'm going to go down here and render mockup. And there it is. Create products quickly and easily. Create digital products in hours, not days or weeks. And there we have it. And all we have to do is just download that to wherever we want it. So I'm going to save that as mockup 1 on my desktop, and we'll just save it there. And in just a moment we'll open it up and have a quick look, and there it is. It's as quick and easy as that. Okay guys, let's go have a look at the next one. Alright, now here we are at Canva, and Canva is very much like everyone knows Canva. So we'll go over here to ebook covers, click on that, and let's just scroll down till we find a design we want. So I'm just going to scroll down to find an ebook cover that we like. And once we find it, we can then use that, and we'll choose to make that our cover. Really, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to pick any old one, so I might just choose this one. I'll do. Over here we can go down, we can choose a different folder, we can choose a different image if we wish to, so we can choose it from a different template, or we can go over here, we can upload an image of our own if we wish to. You can have a look at the various backgrounds you can choose, and you've got landscape backgrounds, you've got all sorts of really cool things. You can scroll down and have a look. That's a nice background. Let's choose that one. I like that. We can change the color of the font. We can make that white, and we can add an image here. We can choose one from our, let's go grab one from, let's upload one so as we can do this. Alright, same as usual, we're just going to grab this one here. Let's choose that one there. We can expand that up to fit on there if we wish to. There we go, we can keep it like that. Take it to the edge so it comes off just a little bit. There we are. And we can change this here. ProductCreationFormula. Now, of course, you can change it up, you can shrink it up and do everything you need to do. And you can make it look and feel any way you want. I'm going to move that out of the way, get rid of this text here because that doesn't need to be there. Maybe move that over here for 1 second. There we are. Move it over just a bit. And there we have it. Now you can change all these words over here up, just delete that. And you can be talking about the 3 different points that you have that you want to talk about in your ebook. Simple as that, it really is. And the next site is very similar to this one. So if you want to download it, you can download it from here. And all you have to do is save it as a PNG usually. You probably don't want to do it as a PDF. You keep it as a PNG and you can download it like that. And then you can just keep it somewhere wherever you keep it safe. Very simple, very easy, very quick. Let's go have a look at the last site. Now Quello is very much like Canva, and it's almost like a clone copy in a sense. And you can do practically the same things as what you can do in Canva, and it's free. In fact, you can get a little bit more from Quello than what you can in Canva. What you'd normally have to pay for in Canva, Quello does for free. So you have got that bonus there. So let's go ebook cover. And let's go hit enter. So you can go through and you can choose the different font types of styles you got here. And of course you can go through and make a choice as to what you want. I like that one, so I'm going to choose that one. So once again, I'm going to now click on this image right here on the corner. Got it. I'm going to click on that image right there. I'm going to go to photos, and we can choose photos from here. I might even pop a computer here. Hit there, and you can choose this one here, or you can choose there. It is up to you. So I'm going to choose this one here, and we can add that to it. Click on that, get rid of that image, delete that. Okay, so all we have to do is drag that across till it covers the entire page. Drag that down to where we want it, and there we have it. Done and dusted. And all we have to do is change whatever words we want here. 21. And of course you can change this to anything you want. Different fonts and so forth. It is easy as. And there we have it. So that's as easy as that, and it is done. Okay guys, that's it for this particular video. If you like this video, please remember to smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not share? And also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these 5 sites. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye for now.